During this course, we will develop HTML web pages. Chrome browser will be used to view the developed web pages. I would recommend to install Chrome browser in your desktop so that we get a uniform look and feel. In this video, I am going to provide instructions to install Chrome browser. If your desktop already has Chrome installed, you can skip this video. Now I will provide the instructions to install Chrome. Open the browser in your desktop and go to www.google.com. Then search for the keyword Chrome download and click on the link that comes up first, which should open a window like this. Click on the download link, which will initiate the download of the installable file. Based on the operating system from which you are accessing this web page, the respective version of Google Chrome will be downloaded accordingly. For example, if you are a Mac user, then the necessary file that is required for Mac will get downloaded. Open the downloaded file, follow the instructions and complete the installation of the Chrome browser. For Mac users, I have given necessary on-screen instructions. Please use that to complete your installation. Then move on to the next video.